Welcome to the YachtSys video tutorials, how to make a multi-offer with the YachtFinder. First we navigate to YachtFinder page. There we can select the destination, the departure date, or change the customer's document language. Then press search. Now on the search result list you can add offers to a clipboard. Clipboard pops up, but you can also minimize it. Now add further offers to the clipboard. When you're done, just expand the clipboard, have a look at your selection, and if it fits, just press multiple offer button. You can add additional agency discounts. The final customer prices will be recalculated. You can select additional service extras and the number of persons. Select the customer from the customer database, modify his data and save the modifications. Now press multiple offer. Just navigate to your orders list and you will find the offers in the first entries. You can also see the details. In your email client you will find the offer email arriving. The offer email is a summary of all the offers you selected. Attached to each offer you will find a link to a detailed offer PDF. Just use the PDF with all offer details for a specific yacht. This offer can also be signed by the customer and faxed back to you. You also have a gallery of all the images of the yacht. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Thank you for watching.